Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video we will learn about the VLOOKUP function. We have the certain data which includes the roll number, name, marks, and we need to find out the certain data by using the grade criteria. First we will find out the total, so we use equals to sum bracket open, and in this bracket we need to give the marks, and after giving the marks we need to close the bracket and write here. Now we need to simply drag it down the same formula to apply below. In the similar way we will find out the percentage. So for the percentage we use equals to bracket open. First we need to select the total marks, then divide by the total numbers. We are assuming 400, each subject consisting of 100 marks. And after completing it, we need to multiply by 100. So we got the percentage as well. Now again we simply need to drag it down to apply the same formula here. After completing the percentage, what we need to do, we need to find out the grade by using the VLOOKUP. We have the grade criteria also mentioned. We write here equals to VLOOKUP bracket open. In this formula, first we need to find out the lookup value, so we select the percentage cell, comma. Then it says table array, so we select the whole grade criteria table. So this is second. We need the grade, and the grade are in the second column, so we write 2, and after it we write 1 for the criteria match. Then we close the bracket, and this is how we have completed. But before that we need to make constant the table array by pressing F4, then enter, and here we got the grade. Now we can match with our criteria as well, like if the student got more than 80 he will be assigned B grade. Now drag it down to find out the remaining grades. Now if we test our formula, so we can match the criteria with our grade. We also numbers of the marks, so we can test the formula as well. This is how we have used the VLOOKUP function.